the hook to the cargo. Don't stop. Let's fertilize the soil to grow corn. Keep it up. Now we need to fuel the pre-sowing unit. Press the pump. That's all. Let's prepare the soil for planting seeds. First, let's fuel the covered truck. Press the pump. Done! Tap on the forward button to continue moving. Hooray! Here we are! Let's buy corn seeds for popcorn. Let's assemble a seeding machine. Done! Now we need to fuel the seeding machine. Pump. Keep up the good work. Drag the hook to the cargo. That's all. Let's sow the field with corn. First, let's assemble a rotary spreader truck. Don't stop. Now we need to fuel the rotary spreader truck. Pump. We did it! Let's loosen the soil and add fertilizer for young sprouts. Keep up the good work. First, let's fuel the sprayer truck. Pump. Keep up the good work. We made it! Keep it up! Let's water the corn crop. We need to assemble a harrow tractor. Keep up the good work. First, let's fuel the harrow tractor. Press the pump. We did it! Let's remove weeds from the field. Tap the screen to keep building. Machine. You're doing really great. Let's fuel the pollinating machine. Press the pump. Amazing! Let's pollinate the blooming corn to get more crop. Let's wash the pollinating machine. Keep up the good work. First, let's assemble a corn cob harvester. Keep up the good work. And now we need to fuel the corn cob harvester. Choose another color. Press the pump. We did it! The corn is ripe. It's time to harvest it. That's all. We made it! Keep it up! We need to dry the grain to get tasty popcorn. Let's load the grain into the elevator. need to wash the grain truck. Keep it up. First, let's assemble a soil sampling car. Amazing! First, let's fuel the soil sampling car. Press the pump. That's all. Let's clean the grain from trash. We need to rip up. Keep it up. And now we need to fuel the truck. Press the pump. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Drag the hook to the cargo. That's all. Hooray! Here we are! Let's pack the grain and prepare it for transportation. We need to assemble a market truck. We did it! And now we need to fuel the market truck. Pump. We did it! We made it! Keep it up! Let's make popcorn from the grain we've got. Great! You've managed to make tasty popcorn!